We're going to start with the head shape, which is sort of an upside down egg shape. Then we're going to do the eyes. Do a curve like this, a little bit above halfway. A line here, and a line here, another shorter line on the ends. And we're going to connect those with curves. Then frown. A little line on this side and one on that side. Short line up that way, and then connect those two across. All right, you're going to angle on each side of the head up that far. Try to make them as identical as you can. Then angle inward and connect those two. You're going to do 2 half curves on each side starting at that point and have it reach the side of the eyes, come down that far. At the chin, we're going to do these angles inward and then across. All right, going to connect the corner of the eye to the corner of the mouth and then out to the side. On the top of the head, we're going to do sort of this little rectangle shape. 2 little short lines here, connect those together. And then you're going to have these be wider at the top and thinner at the bottom.